Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new topic from the Flamenco book, and the title of that poetry is Keeping Quiet. It is a very interesting and simple poem, and this is a very situational poem right now. The situation which is we are facing today in this COVID-19 situation. So this is very related. That's why I took this poem first. The writer of this poem is Pablo Neruda. He was born in, let's talk something about that. Who is Pablo Neruda? He was born in 1904 and he was died in 1973. And this Pablo Neruda was the pen name, and later on his legal name of this Chilean. He is a Chilean poet, and you can say that a diplomat and politician also. And he won a Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. And the symbolic thing and the thing which is different from other writers is about this Neruda is he wrote in green ink, right? He wrote in green ink, which is his personal symbol of desire and hope. I told you that his writing is very simple, and that is the beauty of his poetry. And this poem is Keeping Quiet. It is originally written in Spanish language, and then the poet is translated into English. And the essence of this poem is introspects, based on the introspection and retrospection. Here, the poet feels that some soul searching is needed, soul searching, that we have to search for our real source, which is lost somewhere, and for the searching of peace and brotherhood. So, this poem is about brotherhood and searching for peace. Let me tell you something about what is this poem about. This poem is about the asking the human for the brotherhood, and he wants all of us to have a pause for a while so that we can understand the reality of the the reality of the earth. And this is the discussing that he is discussing in this poem, the need of maintaining peace and silence, which is very needed today. He stresses upon being quiet and harmless to the human beings, animals, and environment that we are doing right now. And he suggested in order to maintain peace and harmony, it is required to stop and introspect ourselves. Okay, so let's explain. I'd like to explain line by line. Keeping quiet. Let's start. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. Okay. Now first, here the poet is telling all the human beings on this earth that we will count, that he is also counting with us. We will count to 12. Now there are so many numbers, but the poet is talking about the one number, 1 to 12. Why 12? Because when you see in a clock, there is 12 hours as well as 12 months, and the zodiac sign is also 12. That's why he took this number 12. Then he is asking all the human beings, let's count to 12 in our mind, and we'll all keep still. And will keep still means will be stand still. Okay. Now, why he is telling us to do like this? For once on the face of the earth, now on the earth, now on the earth, he is saying that on the face means all the or on the planet for one time. Please let's start counting to 12, and please keep stand still. Now again he is telling all the human beings that let's not speak any language. Now, why he is telling that let's not speak any language? Because here you can see the language is the barrier. Now, barrier, why? Barrier between the humans, barrier within the borders, barrier because of we are fighting uh, on the basis of languages also. So let's not speak in any language, only let the silence speak. Let the silence can be the language on the earth for a while once. Let's stop for 1 second. Let's stop for 1 second. Don't move. Not move our arms so much. Now here is saying that for 1 second, please don't use and don't move your arms so much. Now here, literally, he is saying that don't you move your arms, and implied meaning is that we are so much in mad rush that to getting our goal, we are doing so much things and we are hurting other people to getting our goal, to achieve our goal. That also arms means don't hurt anyone, don't misuse others, and don't signal others, don't hurt others. So that is the physical arm. And he is also saying about other arms that the soldiers are using the weapons. That is also don't use that weapons, and don't move for a second. Okay, so don't use this that which hurts anyone, and you have to become a standstill. Now here, standstill, that it doesn't mean that he is saying that don't do anything and you become idle, right? Don't, he is not telling us to become idle and doing anything, but he is telling us to wait for a while, to think on that what we are doing right now. And here you can see that this is the period that right now this COVID-19 situation that we are not understanding that what we are doing. That's why the nature has given us the time to spend the time to stand for a while, to know that what we are, where we are going, and what we were doing in the past. In the past, we were not having a time with our family, but due to this lockdown and this time, we understand the value of life. We understand the material things are not important. What is important is the family life, your home, your peace, your whatever is important is peace, right? Mental status, your health. We are we till now what we were doing, we were mad after the material things to achieve our goal. So right now, the writer is saying the same thing. This is a situational poem that we are studying right now. It would be an exotic moment without rush. I told you that when you feel that, don't rush, still stand still, then you can see that that was an exotic moment, exotic experience we can see without engine. Now he's saying that if you don't use your arms, then there will be no engines. Engines means vehicle will be no, that no companies, nothing will be on the earth. Now we can see that on in the lockdown, we can say that there are so many messages are coming that the earth is on a vacation. Now the earth is taking breath, because this is needed, that we were not thinking about the environment, we were not thinking about the other living things, we are thinking about only our birth soil. They were very selfish, and this is the time we understood the reality. What is the importance? Not the material things are not important. What are the important? The environment is important. Animal life is important. Our life is important. Material things are not important. Now, due to the during this lockdown, we understand the importance of our family life. We understand the relationship. We understand the grandfather grandmother relationship. We understand the everything we understand during this lockdown, and this is the time we have to take a pause, and we have to understand that what we were doing and what are the result of it. Now we have to change it. Okay, let's go together. let's go further. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness, and that time you understand the strangeness, that because this this time in many from last many years we haven't seen this strangeness to pause for a while and to think on this. So that is also one strangeness and unique feeling, exotic moment you can feel that time when you pause and you understand and try to remember that what we have done in the past and what is the importance of life and the earth. Fisherman in the cold sea would not harm whales. Now he said that don't move your arm. It means that fishermen can understand the importance of wells. Now we can see that there are so many threads are going on to harm the wells and the fishermen, right? So that thread, now that business is going on very vast. So he's talking about the animal hurting, right? That we are hurting the animals. Okay. Again, he is opening our eyes by saying that by giving the example of man gathering salt would look at his hard hands, right? Now here he's saying that when the man was gathering salt, he doesn't have any time because he was concentrating and he is concentrating on gathering the salt, but he was not thinking that what happened to his hands, that by gathering the salt there is that his hands are hurting. So from this example the poet is saying that we are mad after and we are having a mad rush on gathering the our goals and gathering the material things and achieving we are mad after the achieving the goals, but we are not thinking about by achieving something what we are lost in, what you have lost when you are achieving things. I have seen that. I have, let me tell you one example. The right now the people are having the mad after the material things and they are lost in the relationship. They don't know about the value of relationship, that they don't have the relationship with their parents, they don't have a relationship with the other because they want to achieve and to find out to achieve their goal and that material thing. So by giving this example the poet is saying that you are achieving something, right? But look at that what you are lost, what you have lost, what is hurting you, that is that at night you have a good sleep, is there any peace in your mind? No. Why? Because you are after the material thing. So have a break, look at what you are doing. Okay, moving further, in next stanza the poet is talking about those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivor, but put on clean. Okay, look at here. Now here the writer is talking about green wars. Green wars means deforestation. Deforestation means we are cutting the jungles and we are cutting the trees and there will be the no trees, and that's why we are planning right now. Those who are aware of this green walls, they are preparing us to plant trees, to forestations, right? So that is the thing, that we have done the green wars, wars with gas. Gas means that we are doing the mining. By doing the minings we are hurting the earth. War with fire, we are having a war with the fire also, right? Deforestation and mining, and victory with no survivor. Victory means here the writer, the poet is talking about the war, the physical war, where the soldiers are killing the human beings, right? They are also human beings, and the other people who are dying, they are also human beings. That victory, is there any meaning of that victory with no survival, where there will be no living person in their war? Is there a victory? You are saying that in his eyes there will be no victory when the human beings are killing the other human being. and the here. That's why the poet is saying that put on one put on clean clothes, walk about with their brothers in the street and doing nothing. Right? Now here for a while, put on new clothes, clean clothes. Now here this is the poet is not talking about wearing of clean clothes, but having a new approach. Think about that what you are doing and walk about with the brothers. Brothers means the having togetherness with the enemy in a shade doing nothing. By doing nothing, by doing using no harm to others, by having no use of the arms, you just have to look at and how to get together with your brothers or enemies doing nothing, and you can understand that how exotic moment was that. Going further, what I want should not be confused with totally inactivity. Here, the writer is making it clear that I told you that stand still, it doesn't mean the writer is telling you to stay still, doing nothing and become idle. Okay, because the poet is saying that stand still, don't use your arm. It doesn't mean that don't do any work or don't achieve your goal, but if you are going outside to achieve a goal, but don't harm others, don't harm the earth, don't harm the planet and the whole world. Okay, that's what is total inactivity. He's not talking about to do anything. Okay, life is what it is about. He's talking about that life is what I want no truck with them. Okay, life is not about war in which you found a truck of dead bodies full of truck. When you see that, when you're talking about the first war, second war, there will be the truck is full of dead bodies. So life is not about that war. Life is something about very peaceful brotherhood, right? So that he is talking about. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our life moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness or never understanding ourselves or threatening ourselves with death. Okay. Now here the writer is talking about that. Please have a look that have a pause for a while and we look at that you are very single-minded. You are not keeping in mind the other things which is moving around you. Right. Right now we are not thinking about we are thinking about ourselves only. We are not thinking about other human beings. Even we are not thinking about the animals. Okay, we have seen many videos that people are hurting the animals. Recently there was one incident happened in Kerala. I don't remember the exact state, but I think in Kerala that the elephant's head was fired because of the crackers. Now you can see that how ridiculous this act was. You are hurting the animals. That this is the single-minded attitude. So that's why by doing everything and by moving on without any break or without any interrupt, right? You could not understand ourselves that what you are doing. That's why this is the break. That this is the that the writer is interrupting us, interrupting all the human being to take a break and find out, have a single stand still and find out and what you are doing in the threat of death or in the threat of achieving something. आप क्या कर रहे हो सोचो यार. Perhaps the earth can teach us. Now, here, this is the time that you can say that we do not understand till now, till 2020, we are unable to understand the reality of life on earth. But here, the earth teaches us, right? Earth teach us right now that what it teaches. When everything seems dead, later proves to be alive. The earth says that when there was a winter, you can say that the all the earth seems dead, right? But when the other seasons come and everything will be alive, right? विंटर सीजन के बाद जो ब्लोसम सीजन आती है वहां पे सब ब्लोसम्स होता है एंड दी अर्थ lives alive, right? So that's from the earth we have to learn. Okay, Now I'll count again. The writer is saying that now I'll count up to 12. You keep quiet and I'll go. Now here the writer is talking about that again. You count and what I have told you that look at on that and think on it. I'll go now because this is the idea that the poet is talking about. It is up to us. Let us think on it. Keep quiet for a while. I also request you all to keep quiet for a while what you are doing right now. Think on that whether it is worthy or whether is it a fruitful that you are doing is a fruitful. Are you hurting yourself or are you hurting the other? Think on it and count up to 12. I will go because now I will let it you on you that what you will decide. Okay. Now here the writer wants us to pause and come out of mad rush, right? This is a summary I would like to tell you. I want us to be happy about our achievement and celebrate that. Okay, whatever you achieve, it is definitely if you achieve any goal, then celebrate it. But don't not for the cost of anything. कि अगर आपका कोई कॉस्ट के बाद कोई लूज हो गया एंड उसके ऊपर आपको कोई अचीवमेंट मिलता है सो दैट विल बी नो any meaning of that achievement. He wants us to overcome the fear of that and relax for a while. We should know the result of our deed and celebrate our achievements. Okay. Now here you can say that. Okay. Now let's talk about the poetic device. Now which type of poetic device is used? This is a free verse, right? ये पूरी free verse में poem लिखी गई है. So there will be no there will be no rhyme scheme. Sorry, there will be no rhyme scheme. This is a free verse. Here one another figure of speech was used, assonance. Assonance means, what do you mean by assonance? Assonance means use of vowel sound. Now A, E, I, O, U, right? O and E. Now we will count to 12. Now move our arms so much. Now we are O, E, right? So this vowel sound is used here in this line. Now the next figure of speech is anaphora. Anaphora means two consecutive lines starting with the word let's. Now here you can see that there are lines that will start with let's, right? So this is the anaphora, right? Okay. Next. Okay. Let's not speak in any language. So I told you that. Let's stop for some second. Now here the repetition of consonant sound at the start of two or more closely places word. So that is the alliteration. Okay. And repetition is also there. We will. Then use of word, that is also repetition. And assonance. Assonance अभी भी मैंने बताया, use of vowel sound. Again victory वाला जो lines है, victory with no survivor would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers. So that is the assonance. Assonance वहाँ पे use किया है. So when the people will remain quiet for a while, the summary is that they will realize the purpose of their life. And just like all the creation of nature undergo a rebirth with the change of season, similarly keeping quiet with will be a rebirth for a human soul. It will give a new meaning to our life. Again, the poet says that he will count till 12 and ask everyone to remain quiet while he lives. Right? So now he is leaving up to us that what we will do after keeping quiet for up to 12, and we would like to realize that what we were doing and we will work on it. Okay, I hope you understand. This is a very interesting poem. Now work on it. Write down the question answers in your notebook. Thank you so much. Have a